What's up everybody, here's another unboxing from our good friends Jackie/moondoll.com, and this is going to be an AvantDoll. Her name is Sue, she's an fcup. Let's open her up, see how she looks. The box seems to be in super nice condition. It has been a while that she's been traveling, so the front seems to be good. The back has a couple of scuff marks, or the bottom side, and on the other side as well. Everything else very neatly packed with tape and everything, so that's really cool. Now I can already tell they have put in some wood. They've put in six, am I counting correct, 6 plates of wood, which I think is great because protection is always good, extra protection. So again, plates here on the head and the feet area as well. And then we have this foam, no PC foam this time around, so the dark gray foam, or like the yellow kind of stuff. So we're just gonna do it like this. As you can see, lots and lots of air pockets and foam, so that's good. Again, the wood, 6 plates, so over there, over here, over there, here on the side, and there as well. It's insane how well packed this is. So neatly, very neatly packed. There's a head here, there's a wig here, there's some goodies I think in between the legs. We have the accessory box here, and we have this very nice looking foam piece here that I'm taking out right now. And we can check out the neck, and it seems to be completely straight as I feel, so that's really freaking good. Awesome packing job. So foam block in between the legs, which is good. Foam block for the neck area, we're going to take that out as well. And then we're just going to go over to there's something in between here. You can do it like that. It's a specific cleaner, so that's cool for the, like I said, the downstairs area. The head seems to be very nicely packed as well, as you can see. Really nicely done with lots and lots of protection. So you don't always need the PC foam, as I like to call that, every single time. Here is also another plus. Look, that's why I'm trying to unbox this as I'm going along. I'm sorry for the mic and the sounds. They have a complete head protection case. So that's very nice. Lots of plastic, of course, around it, but very good protection. AvantDoll really knows how to pack the lady and get her here unscathed. So this is actually a cool design. It's like a whole clamshell thing with even like 4 points on there that you can press into the other side. It is a ROS head, and it's very easy to move the jaw. Let me show you. Very nicely sculpted and very easy. Very soft and very easy to use the ROS. You can see very fluid. So that's also a very nice design, if you ask me. Sometimes you need to have the head on the body to be even able to get the ROS going. There's already, of course, a connector there, and there's also some text on here, as I can see. It's very difficult to read. AvantDoll S101 is what it says on the bottom. Hope you guys can see that. And other than that, it's just a little bit of dirtiness on there that we can get away. But this is a soft ROS head. Very nicely done. Let's go over the accessories real quick. I know people don't always like that because everybody already knows what you're going to get with the accessories, but I think it's still mandatory to just show. We have stockings, instructions, a comb, gloves, an extra quick connect and a threaded one, and a USB warming wand, and their own little pouch, of course. And this is, of course, the wig, which is like a little bit black or brown on the top and then blonde at the end, so kind of like a color change wig. So now we need to get her out of the box and get her on the operating table so we can show her features. As you can see, I've not moved a lot of stuff around. She had her arms a little bit more inside. What I really like is this. This is like a fabric bag or breathable mesh kind of bag that was around her, and a blanket. So in my opinion, besides the fact that you can still use something regarding the neck area to make it even better in protection and in shipment, is actually that they did a very, very great job regarding protection and you know, everything else in the box. So the only thing that I could still say is put a bolt through the neck area with like something on the back or wood or whatever to make sure that the neck is always straight. But on the other hand, if you have a lot of foam and extra thick foam to protect the neck and leave her in a specific place where the neck can go up, you don't really need a bolt. So that's really nice. She looks stunning. We need to get all the stuff off and then give a little bit of an overview of her body. All right, let's go over to the neck first. So the neck was a little bit upward, but as you can see, there's like tiny specks on there. It is completely straight and pretty clean in my opinion. So that's a win for us. The chest area is really nice too. It's a little bit floppy, which I really, really like because that's realism at its finest, when the boobs actually, when she's like laying on her back and the chest area goes left and right a little bit. I like that a lot. The hands seem to look very good. The feet area seems to look very nice as well. Very detailed. It's insane how much detail they actually already have on there. And then, of course, on the legs, we have veins. We have very, very detailed skin. And then, of course, the hands over here. And we'll go over the hands and the feet real quick regarding posability. And then just her stomach area is very nice. It's a very well sculpted lady, if you ask me. So that's really freaking cool. So posability up and down. We have the fingers that you can space. We of course have, ooh, it's very scary again. The knuckles, they're still like so brand new. These actually feel very strong, so that's really nice regarding knuckles. So if you want to have a brand where you can actually use the hands even more firm for holding things when you're posing her, AvantDoll is definitely one to keep your eye on. Now, what I do want to know, of course, is always this question. Yep, there we go. Look, ladies and gentlemen, the wrist rotates with the underarm. So no twisted silicone regarding the wrist action. We can even do this gently, and you can see the bottom side of the hands, or at least this one. And yeah, it's just a very, very nice design. Now let's go over to the other one real quick. I know sometimes I do this a little bit less in my videos, but I do want to check out if everything is working. You can even, of course, do the sides, which I did not show with the other hand. And the turning is perfect as well. Let's just put her arms up a little bit so you can see. There is a little bit of a pinch here now, just now that I probably did order from shipping, and it's already gone. Like I said, the details are insane. Very nice, even here with her muscles on the arms, which is very cool too. So the feet area are going to be like this. You'll be able to do that. We are going to have bones because I would not have expected anything else from AvantDoll. People are stepping up their game regarding the bones and the knuckles. These are not knuckles in here, but there are bones, so you can pose the feet. Personally, I like everything regarding bones. The feet area for me doesn't have to be, or the toes don't have to be knuckled toes, if you ask me. But it's insane. I mean, the detail is really, really insane of the feet area. Cannot really see a sock. We can put the foot up, this one as well, gently. See how max we can go. Again, very malleable, soft silicone. It's really nice. Look at the sides. And then look on the inside of this one. Really nicely done. Now that we have the overview complete, let's put on her head and her wig and stand her up and see how she looks completely assembled. And here she is, completely assembled, looking very cool. So again, this is Sue, an fcup AvantDoll, And yeah, she really looks good. I did not pose her in the best way possible, but like I said, it's yeah, it's a very nice design. And the hair is pretty cool too. The head is really dope regarding the ROS. And yeah, she just looks really cute. Alright, and this is how she looks from the back. Funny thing is, she has a little bit thicker upper legs, and her booty isn't that super apparent, as you can see. But I do really like that type of design, because everybody always trying to make the booty pop and everything, and it's cool to have something that's a little bit more tame. And yeah, it is of course soft, not as soft as the chest, but still soft enough. And the details, like I said, are really stunning regarding the skin and everything, as you can see right here. It's overall just an amazing AvantDoll provided to us by AvantDoll.